In this video, I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial on how to navigate through Google Classroom. When you come to your main page, all of the classes that you are enrolled in will pop up. If you happen to notice in the bottom right corner that there is a notification that says accept invitation, do accept that so that way you are actually enrolled in that class that you need to be in. When you open a specific class, the very first place it's going to take you is the stream. And in the stream, this is where any announcements or reminders will be posted by your teachers. And specific to my class, this is where I will post the daily agenda. It's very important that you're checking these, especially if you're absent, so that way you can make sure that you are keeping up in the class and that you are not falling behind. The other neat thing posted here on the stream is this little section that says upcoming. This is essentially a to-do list. You can click on where it says view all. And in a normal situation, you're going to be assigned stuff by your teachers throughout the course of the school year. In this section, this is where all of your assignments will pop up. Now for me, this is the beginning of the school year and nothing's been assigned yet. But again, normally your assignments will pop up. It'll show when the assignment is due, and it will show whether or not you have turned it in yet. So this to-do section is a pretty handy tool, and it's something I would definitely recommend using. The next section I want to show you up here is the section that says classwork. In this section, this is where you will find all of the assignments and any materials or resources that you might need. You'll see that you can use the sidebar to scroll through the different sections, but it's not really necessary to do that because Google Classroom does this neat thing for you and basically keeps a digital notebook for you. Kind of like you would in person filing things away into a 3-ring binder, but instead this is digital and it has all the different sections that you'll have for each class. So let's suppose you wanted to read a digital book. Sure, you could come and scroll over here to find it, but you could also just click on that section in your digital notebook and it will pull you to that section and it will pull up everything within that section. Or maybe you know that you want to find a handout that I provided to you. So you go to the Tools section of your digital notebook, and you can find any of the materials and handouts that I've provided to you. The last section I want to show you is up here at the top, and it says Grades. Throughout the year, you're going to be getting digital assignments from your teachers, and there will be point values assigned to them. If you click on this section here with the grades, all of your assignments will pop up and it will show what your score was on that assignment. Or maybe it'll show that it has not been graded yet. Maybe it's a project that takes a few weeks for your teacher to grade. But regardless, you can find all of your assignments up here in the grades section and you can find your total scoring.